Hello and welcome back to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Morgan and today I'm here to share with you day 11 of our 2026 Sallie Tomato Co Box, which brings a lightweight item that is perfect for adding a softer touch to your handmade projects. Day 11. As supple as the sea, this beautiful item would be perfect for any project, but especially fitting for day 12. The Sallie Tomato Light Faux Leather offers a subtle yet sophisticated texture. It's a great alternative to genuine leather due to durability, ease of maintenance, and resistance to moisture. We love sharing helpful tips for sewing with our products, and here's a few on sewing with light faux leather. Try using a non-stick or Teflon foot. The smooth surface of the foot glides over the fabric, or try using a very narrow foot or zipper foot, where the smaller size of the presser foot puts less pressure on the fabric. You could use this now for your current bag making or hold on to it, hint hint, for the next Sallie Tomato Co project unveiling. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato Co Box, make sure to join our newsletter through the link below so you'll be the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Mariner's Compass supplies.